In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery to Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to safely prepare your theme, open the editor, and add a clean image gallery that shows off your products or brand visuals. First, open the Shopify website and go to your admin. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This is where your themes live and where you manage how your storefront looks. Before making changes, it's a good idea to create a quick backup. In the Themes area, find your current theme and click the three dots, then click Duplicate. This makes a copy of your theme that you can return to if you ever want to undo changes. Duplicating doesn't affect your live store, so it's a safe step that keeps your work protected while you experiment. Now, open your working theme in the editor. Click Customize, or if your interface shows Edit, choose that option to open the theme editor for your store. The editor shows a live preview on the right and a panel on the left where you add and organize sections. Inside the editor, you can add your gallery. In the left panel, look for the button to add a section. Depending on your theme, the section might be called Gallery, Image Gallery, or something similar. Select it, and the new gallery section will appear in your layout. You can drag it into the spot you want, near the top for a bold visual impact, or further down the page if you want it to complement other content. Next, upload your images. You can choose files from your device or pick images already in your Shopify media library. For the best results, use high-quality images that are optimized for the web so your pages load quickly. Consistent dimensions help the gallery look clean and professional. JPEG is great for photos, while PNG can be useful for graphics with transparency. If your theme offers options like the number of columns, spacing, or image cropping, adjust those until the layout feels balanced and easy to scan. As you add images, keep an eye on the live preview. Scroll through the page to see how the gallery sits with your other sections and check how it looks at different screen sizes using the editor's device views. Small tweaks to layout or image order can make a big difference. That's it. You opened Shopify, went to Online Store, duplicated your theme for safety, entered the editor, added a gallery section, and uploaded your images. Your storefront now has a polished gallery you can expand or refine anytime.